So up to Parak Test Os Chavav in the Derech Eretz Zuta with the Derech Chaim. If you lower yourself, Hashem uplifts you. If you uplift yourself, even in front of your friend, not just in front of a Baruch Hu, even in front of your friend, Kaiba is bad vis-a-vis anybody. It says that the Chaim Mishpat Mevor it says Bamos Hagai. If you make your heart haughty, Hashem diminishes you. From the heights you go down to the deep valley. If you go back, if you do tshuva, Hashem uplifts you. Hashem say any valley will be uplifted. It changes from Hagba to Gedula. It's just the distance of Gaiva very much. Sharaz Gova who are Flogas Gova. We talk about Gova, it's talking about an extreme height. How much higher than Shiflus. Shlakim Gavu Mimcha. Haraz Gadol, Moran Yan Gadol Sheish Kamu Mashvelos. So Gava is well above and beyond Shiflus, in no connection. Gadol can have connections to Shiflus. Arim Gedolos, like big cities, Shu Achuz Bishafel, which are linked to lowness. I guess a big city in a low area. I know, I think it's one thing. It's seizing on to that which is low, but going on that or going high. If you lower yourself with that nova, Hashem will uplift you begova atzum to stunning heights. Extraordinary heights. It's like the height of heaven over the earth. You can go down that simcha, and if you make yourself big, even though you don't make yourself extremely big, just a little bit. But Raz Gadol, you made yourself Gadol, which is low and high. Not just in front of someone who's greater than you, because Baruch Hu, but in front of your friend, Hashem is on your level. Hashem will bring you down nevertheless. It's a very nice pshat. Okay, so again, you make yourself low, because Baruch Hu takes you to the uppermost heights. You got out that if you make yourself even a little bit gadol, forget about gavah. In front of your friend. Forget about in front of a gadol, because Baruch Hu Hashem is going to knock you back down. If the people argue with you, whether it's in the yeshiva or it's in a party, I say, make with them peace. So when you come back, they're going to tell over good things about you. Like the peace of Pinchas ben Elazar. Fascinating. Says the Derech Chaim. If you have machlokas, whether it's yeshiva of sages or masiba of a mundane party, I say shall make them peace. So when you go back, they're going to tell over your peace. Kisham Pinchas ben Elazar. Originally, the Shvatim were degrading him. They were arguing. They were picking a fight with him. Did you see this Ben Putil? Shepitem Ben Shmitem Mo Agolim Barazara Amimo. I think Aviv, the son of one whose father fattened two calves of Barazara. Yarok Nasi Shem Miso is going to kill you. Nasi and shave it. So the pasuk then immediately comes and says Yizichus Pinchas ben Elazar are coming. Don't mess with them. Go and give him peace. Give him the covenant of peace. Even the fight they had, there was peace in the end. So if if there's a Meriva, there can be Shalom at the end. Certainly there's Shalom beginning, there'll also be Shalom at the end. Okay, that's not as cool as the previous one. Of course, this is famous. Love peace, usnas machlokas, and detest argumentation. Any place where it says by love, the word es, ehov es, kaminoso avas inyan. It means to love the concept. Avoy yishara latmuso. No. Kavaso avas inyan avoy yishara, the love the concept with this direct love latmuso for its essence. Beli shum tikvas toelas hachozer latzmo, without any expectation of reciprocal benefit to oneself. Zeh Rebbe Elazar Akvar al Shalom Atzmo, the piece itself, lo b'shanas halascha. Not because of some pleasure or benefit you're going to get. Fishatzmo shalom. Hov es shalom, as an object in and of itself without any hope of reciprocity. V'snas machlokes b'cholinyon. It's no es also, the es he's darshaning. It's like Nechemim Sunni. It's darshaning all the esim. So, but this here is in Chazal, not in the Tanakh. It's not machlokes b'cholinyon. A few makom shekil chatos man. Even you get an advantage from it, you should detest any machlokas absolutely and completely. Lots of stuff here in the Orchos Chaim. So this one, last one, and then the Gimel here. Shmuel Beis. Habashta yom es penei kol avadecha. Maltim es nafshecha yom begomer. I'm sure I understand what the pasuk means. I'll look inside, but you embarrass today the faces of all your slaves who save your soul this day. To love your enemies and to hate your loved ones. Okay? One of the laws of nature. A person loves his advantage very much. Especially if that his advantage is being saved from death to life. We may seem, and when we see at this occasionally, that a person will save the soul of another person to sustain him from dying. And he's an enemy. The moto mira'ah, and the this is too complicated. Way too complicated. Forget it. Let's go on. Chavtes, Kol Shalom Shafilu Ovdim Avodah Shalom B'nei, very famous Chazal. Kavyachol Ein Shechina Cholin Goben. The Shechina can't touch them. Shneimar Chibur of Atzavim Ephraim Hanachlo. A band of annoying people as Ephraim, but leave them alone. Yesh Be'em Machlokas Man Nemar Bahem. And what does it say about them? Machlokas Chalak Libam Atol Yesham. Their hearts have been divided. Now that we found guilty. It says the Chaim Kol Shalom Shleimus Adam Mumash Ben Adam Makom. The perfection of man is between Adam Makom, and what's between man and friend. If a person is shalom b'chavero, as he tachesh b'distuva yispark, laricha polo hem. The Baruch Hu can be patient with them. Ad sheshuva kam b'dvarim sheben Adam Makom, till they do tshuva b'Adam Makom as well. But if they're not perfected in chel sheben chavero, as lo ch'tisa some earth l'sheves, then they can't remain in the earth. Moshe Abadar Amabo, Shishchisa Mashem, Hashem destroyed the Kimilor, it's Chamos in him, because there's the strife and division that's been Chol Mechavero. There are a few of them Chamonim. And even if they worship Avodah Zarah, I know Chilku B'Chel Shemanim L'Mokom. They're doing, they are ruining their Ram L'Mokom. Kim Sheshon B'Neim, Shem Shleim B'Chel Shemanim L'Chavero. There's peace among them, like by Migdal Bavel. Then Ein HaShechina Yecholin Go B'Hem, the Shechina cannot touch them, L'Anisham Teichef, and to punish them immediately. Yesh me machlokesh, zeh kilku shemenu chaveru nemar b'zeh chalak libam atah yesham lishmoma atah teichef. If there's machlokesh with them, that's kilku between Adam chaveru. Then chalak libam atah yesham lishmoma. Now they're going to be teichef miyad. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is going to destroy them. So chibur tzavim of Ephraim hanachlo means I can't do anything now, maybe in the future, even though they're being bad because they're connected. But if there's a machlekes among them, right? They're going to be gotten the swift upcomings. So then the rest. This is the rest of Chaim. Second Sanhedrin. Kilos Rishayim Ralahem Ralahem. The collective Rishayim is bad for them and bad for the world. Chorayafach Me'amvor Kan. Seems to be the opposite of what it says here. Shafi Rishayim Sheishol Beineim Muchunasim Yachat Tov Lehem. Rishayim, when there's a peace among them and they're gathered together, it's good for them. Achinim B'zeh, but matters this. Shezeh moved out. B'zeh moved out. Chelik B'shem Makom Ben Chelik Mechaber. Makom Ben Chaber Shek Shehem Chotim B'Chelik Shemel Makom. When they sit in the apartment on the Makom, us kinusam ra lahem, the connection for them, or their collective is bad. Shadei kinusam v'osivin lachto. They continue. They add on to sin. Avuk shehein chotim b'mashim anu mechavero us kinusam yischabro ma'aso shalom tavalem. Then the gathering together is good for them. That's an interesting thing. I'm not sure he answers the question. His question is better than his answer. His question seems that Kinos Rishayim is good for them. But he says that his answer, his so to speak answer is that when the Chaydi Chaydish on the Makom, then the Kinos is bad for them. It's bad for them personally. I don't see that because they're going to add on to sin. But when the Chavero, then their kinus is good for them, obviously, because they make shalom, and that then they rep. I guess when the Makom, so then their kinus is not going to be mechaper for them. It's good to keep them out of trouble, but it's not going to. The situation was just going to get exacerbated, and although Hashem's not going to be able to do anything for them now, but in the future Hashem might have to do something to them because this unity is going to be is a band-aid on a tumor. It's going to get worse and worse. But if the problem is in the Chavero, then Kinus is the answer for that, because that's going to get rid of all the problems. Okay, that's going to be the pshat. Okay, Bai Shesh Lamed. Bai Shesh Machlok is Sof Lichorev. A house which has Machlok is eventually going to be destroyed. It says here, Bai Hatzlachas Adam Shlosh Dvarim. There are three ways in which a person is successful. Nafsh El Yoina, his upper soul, Hanabin Askos Hashem, and his entire connection with his perception of Hashem, Uvaguf, and his body, Shubori Ulam, that he's very, very healthy, Bamona, and his money. Machlokas Vatel's Kol Elam. Machlokas negates all these things. Hashlosha Atzlachos. All the three successes. The first one, Ba'ashesh Machlokas. How there's Machlokas, Matelis Atzlachos Mamono. It negates his monetary success. It's going to be destroyed. Ralph, Beis HaKnesset, Sovli Abiyos Beis Chamanim. A shul, which where's their divisiveness will become a base of Avodah Zarah. That's basically what he says. Lama Beis Cheshish B'Machlokes Mevatel Satzlachos and Nefesh Amaskeles. Shenaseis Beis Chamanim. The Nefesh connection to our Kodesh Baruch Hu is disrupted. Lama Beis Shteitam Rilichamim Adorim Birachas. Two Rilichamim live in the same city. Chet Shtei Batei Dinim, two courts. Beinim Machlokes, and there's Machlokes among them. So far Lamus. Beish Shtei Matavachamish Mathalos Machlokes Hatzlachas Gufam. Their bodies are destroyed by this. Shasaf Lamus. It's a little bit difficult to say because I don't know. That doesn't seem to have that much to do with the goof. Says for the three pillars of the world, the Torah voting with Chasadim. Bayis, she is bo machlokas, a house which has a machlokas. Vatel's chelak hagmilas Chasadim. Okay, who is Chasadim is batel. Pesach vatel chelak avoida. Right, fair enough. They have mamarim zavodah. She believes with tefillah. Then we come rivim vazlim chelak hateire. Oh, this is much better. Vaz batel atzlachas b'chol, and that disrupts all their atzlachas. That I like. That's the Torah voting with Chasadim. Torah is Tamid Chachamim. Avodah is Beis HaKnesset. Chasadim is one's house. That's good. Gimel, Abashol Omer, Amar Machlokes, Batei Dinim, Batei Dinim, Churban Olam, destroys the world. Abashol Omer, Machlokes, well, Derech Eretz doesn't add much here. So Abashol Omer, Machlokes, Batei Dinim, Shim Yonim, Nogelis Kikaom, obviously, Batei Dinim is supposed to conduct the world, at least the Jewish world. They're not getting along. Garment Chum causes destroy ruination for the world. Lamadal. This world is like the eyeball of a person. Lavan Shabo, the white. Zokiar Shmakip Kolam, that's the ocean which surrounds the entire world. Shachar Shabo, the black. Zeolam, that's the world. In other words, the landmass. Komet Shabashachar, the part of the I forget what it's called, in the middle of the eye, whatever it is. Zel Yushalayim. Parts of Sheba Komets. Okay, I'm not sure what all these things here are. Zeh Beis Hamikdash Yibana B'Meher V'Yameinu B'Mei Kol Yisrael. Okay, so obviously different parts of the eye represent different parts of the world. That much we can get for this. Teach us a matter of Shalom. Everybody should be like one person. See in the eyeball, includes the entire world. They preserve each other. That the preservation of each for its friend is like the preservation of the eye of a person. The komet is the place which is most significant. Everything is around it. Like Yerushalayim Harim Savivla, and it's hidden amongst them. Medrash Esther, Lebeis Kumititon Hagabais Choshum Mahus. Okay. Hadrolach Perak Chi. Perak Mesachos Derech Eretz Zuta. How many Prakim are there all together? This Perak I'll show them at the end, which is Perak, basically Perak Aleph. So there is 11 Prakim altogether, I think. The Perak looks like it's short. The Perak long. Yeah, that Perak is short.